A major political shakeup has hit Indian politics, and this time it's a big blow to the Aam Aadmi Party. In a dramatic move, 7 out of 10 Rajya Sabha MPs from Aam Aadmi Party have joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. This includes prominent names like Raghav Chadha and former cricketer Harbhajan Singh. The sudden shift comes just ahead of crucial elections in Punjab, the only state where Aam Aadmi Party is currently in power. So what really happened? Let me tell you, along with Chadha and Harbhajan Singh, leaders like Sandeep Pathak, Ashok Mittal, Vikramjit Singh, ND Nabeen and others have also crossed over the BJP. The group has claimed that they made the two-thirds threshold required under India's anti-defection law, meaning they may avoid disqualification. They have already returned to the Rajya Sabha chairman Jagdeep Singh Dhankar, informing him of their decision to merge with the BJP. But why they left? Speaking at a press conference, Raghav Chadha strongly criticized his former party. He said, and I quote, Aam Aadmi Party has completely strayed from its principles and moral values. This party now does not work in national interest but for personal benefits. I do not want to be part of their crimes. This is a sharp attack on Arvind Kejriwal, who founded the party on an anti-corruption platform during the India Against Corruption movement. Aam Aadmi Party leaders have reacted strongly, calling this move a betrayal. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwat Mann did not hold back. He said these people are gaddars. They got position on a platter without facing the electorate, but they have no future in BJP and will fade into oblivion. Aam Aadmi Party has also announced that it will seek disqualification of the MPs, arguing that this is not a genuine merger but a political defection. This development comes at a sensitive time. Arvind Kejriwal has recently intensified his campaigning against the BJP after getting relief in the excise policy case. At the same time, the BJP is expanding its political footprint, especially in states like Punjab and West Bengal. Interestingly, some of the MPs who switched sides were considered close to Kejriwal and played key roles in Aam Aadmi's rise. With these new additions, the BJP's strength in the Rajya Sabha has gone up significantly. The BJP now has 113 seats and the NDA alliance stands at 142, comfortably above the majority mark of 123 in the current House strength. This gives the ruling alliance more power in passing key legislation. Some of the leaders who left gave different reasons, while Raghav Chadha openly attacked Aam Aadmi Party leadership. Sandeep Pathak said he was joining BJP due to circumstance and to continue serving the nation. Others like Ashok Mittal remaining silent during the announcement. This mix of reactions suggests that internal issues within Aam Aadmi Party may have been building for some time. This mass shift, sometimes being called the G7 move, highlights a deeper issue. Aam Aadmi Party, once known for its strong anti-corruption image, is now facing questions about internal unity and ideological clarity. Political observers say this could impact Aam Aadmi Party's chances in Punjab and weaken its national ambitions. So, what we are seeing is not just a defection, it's a major political turning point. 7 MPs switching sides at once is rare and signals shifting loyalties and strategies ahead of elections. The big question now is, will this weaken Aam Aadmi Party permanently or will it bounce back stronger? Only time will tell.